Okay, here we are, day 3.
We've made it down to Medford, Oregon, which isn't very far, but that's only because we got so much done at the beginning of the day, getting the cars, or specifically John's car, more ready for the road.
Today's main goal is to visit a guy named Steve, who we think of as the Sterling Whisperer. He has a shop. He has a number of cars in various degrees of running and not running. He has a whole ton of parts, and most importantly, he will know how to install the fragile 31-year-old door handles in my car, because one of the things about my car when I bought it was that neither the left front nor the right front doors opened.
As one would expect, trying to drive a car that has a door that you can't open is just a giant pain in the backside.
Why we have new door handles. We were able to acquire 2 door handles, one new, one used, from Sterling Fixer in Lancaster, PA.
So that has been done, which is nice and makes a huge difference.
So far, 2 Sterlings with a combined age of 63 years between them and more than 400,000 miles combined on their odometers have managed to cover 1,100 miles in 3 days. Nothing has blown up, nothing has broken down. I'm knocking on every piece of wood I can find right now, but actually, so far so good. One of the interesting things about my car is that stuff has actually started to work on it again. And this is kind of the principle that when cars sit for a really long time, stuff stops working. When I picked it up, the windshield washers didn't work, the seat back angle wouldn't adjust, the trunk release wouldn't release the trunk, it had no cruise control, and many of these things have started to work, including pushing the buttons a lot of times just to free up stickiness. Tom actually texted me while we were on the road saying, "Your cruise control might work, it's worth a try." And in fact, my cruise control did work, amazingly. I was touched because Tom said, "That car seems to be happy you have it." I'm not sure I anthropomorphize, but so far so good. It's now 283,000 miles and a bunch more. So onwards, but we made it as far as Medford, Oregon tonight, and tomorrow will be a long driving day. Bye.